Today we're looking at Clusterdelta and whether it is worth using for traders who want deeper order flow data. Clusterdelta is a trading toolkit focused on volume analysis, footprint style views, and delta data. In simple terms, it helps you see buying and selling pressure inside each candle, not just the candle shape itself. The platform offers its own order flow software, and it also provides indicators for platforms like MetaTrader, CTrader, and other trading setups. One of the biggest strengths is visibility. You can track delta, bid versus ask activity, and volume profile style information in more detail than a normal chart. If you trade futures, indices, or active markets, this can help you spot momentum shifts earlier. Another plus is flexibility. You can customize chart views, color schemes, and layout settings to match your strategy. Now the downside. Clusterdelta is not beginner-friendly on day one. The interface and settings can feel technical, and if you are new to order flow, the data can be overwhelming. More data does not always mean better trades. You still need risk control and a clear setup. Some features are free, but advanced tools and full usage may require paid access, so cost is something to check before committing long-term. Who is it best for? Intermediate to advanced traders who already understand volume concepts and want deeper confirmation before entering trades. If you are a total beginner, you might start with simpler charting tools first, then come back to Clusterdelta later. So is Clusterdelta worth it? Yes, for the right trader. If your style depends on order flow, and you are willing to learn the platform, it can be very useful. If you want a simple plug-and-play chart with minimal setup, it may feel like too much. Try the available tools first, test in demo conditions, and only pay for upgrades if the data improves your decision-making and consistency. Also compare it with alternatives like Sierra Chart, Bookmap, ATAS, and TradingView order flow add-ons, because the best choice is the one that fits your market, budget, and workflow.